My name is Caitlin Salmon and I go to Aurora Middle School. For our problems, our blue pawn is going to represent X, and our white pawn is going to represent the opposite of X, and our red block will represent a positive, and our green block will represent a negative. This is my first problem. Okay, so we're going to take away 3 from this side and 3 from this side, and then we're going to take away the 2 from this side, so we can also take away 2 from that side, and it's 8. And then if you divide that by 2, you have 4 equals X. This is my next problem. Okay, so first we're going to add a positive 10 to each side, so it'll cancel out this negative 10. And then we're going to add 3x to each side, and it'll cancel out the white x. And then we have 4x equals 12. And if you divide that by 12 divided by 4, you have 3 equals x. This is my last problem. Okay, first we are going to take away our 2 negative pawns. And then we're going to take away 1 negative from each side. So that comes a negative 2. And then we're going to take away our negative 2. So then this will become a positive 3. So if you have 3 divided by 3, then x equals 1. Thanks for watching.